In this video right here, I'm going to be showing you how to take your lead magnet that you created, stick it inside Go High Level, and set a trigger to it so you can send it off to the person that you actually want to receive it to.
No way.
So stay tuned, watch the video, and I'm going to dive right in. Let's get it. All right, now that we're here, we're going to actually set up our lead magnet inside of Go High Level. So if you're a person that created something like a lead magnet, like an ebook, a cheat sheet, a guide, or anything source like that, or a book, and now that you have it inside your funnel, now you have to actually have somebody to actually receive it. I'm going to actually show you in this video how we're going to set everything up. And by starting, we're going to use these tools right here. Of course, we're going to use Go High Level. I'm going to use Canva. In Canva, we're going to actually show you, I'm going to show you how to actually create a lead magnet. I'm not going to go in really detail on one. I'm just going to create a quick one for the demonstration of the video. Once we create it, I'm going to plug everything in and you can actually see how it is. And I'm going to break down everything from the beginning to the end, and you can actually see it getting received and actually getting the gift into the inbox. So let's get started. So like I said, we're going to use Canva to get started. And I'm going to jump over here to Canva. If anybody doesn't know what a Canva is a software tool where you can actually do graphic designs. You can build banners. You can build newsletters, posts, any kind of different things that you want from Canva that you can design. All right, I'm going to hop over here. I'm going to think, what can I create? Something that can be a good idea to create. Let's see what we can create. All right, so what I'm thinking about creating is maybe a calendar, giving somebody a calendar, just something quick. I just want to show y'all how it actually works. Let's see if we can find a calendar. And like I said in this video, I'm not going to create something really in depth. I'm just going to use the template they have here. But I wouldn't advise you to do that. Take your time and actually create something. Build it out. If you want a video showing me, I can show you how to actually build something out if you want me to create a video on that. But like for the video here, we're just going to use what we have here. So let's see what Canva got that we can use real quick. All right. So now that we finally found what we were looking for, I'm just going to do a content calendar. So after doing my search, I was looking, trying to find something that I could actually use free for a lead magnet. And I came up with a content calendar here. So we're going to use this actual content calendar here. I'm actually just going to take away some things up here. And we're going to add content calendar to it so we can have that as a plus so we'll know exactly what it is. And now we're just going to use it just as it is. I don't want to design anything or do anything for the sake of the video. This is not the key part to the video. So we'll come over here, hit share, hit download. And I don't think I need 12 pages because we're just going to show off one. So we're going to take away these and just currently just have one. Hit done, hit download. Let's hit download. All right, now that we downloaded our content calendar, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna copy it. So you'll get a little box like this right here in the corner. It's gonna let you know, you hit copy. Now you start copying it. Now we'll head over to High Level. Now that we're going to High Level, we'll go over to an area over the top where you go to marketing, and you'll see an area called trigger links. Go over to links. You will hit add, and we can put in, for the sake of the video, we're going to just put content here, and then the URL that you got from Canva, we will paste it here. So hit Control V, Hit save. Now our link is here. Let's find it. There it goes. It's right here. And now we're gonna have to set it up where we can send it to somebody. So what we'll do is we'll go over to the next side where it says templates at. We'll go add template. We'll hit email. Now we'll structure email here. I'm just gonna put my name. And I'll probably put content just to add it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and fill in our email. Now, we added our email in here. One thing you gotta do once you add your email inside of here, make sure that you come over here to the name. We'll highlight it. Now we'll come over to custom values. We know we're sending this to a contact, so we will say contact first name. This is gonna embed this in here, so any contact that gets this letter will have their first name here. Now we're gonna come over to the trigger link area. We're gonna highlight it. And where it says to access your guide, please click below. So let's put it below. So what I'm gonna do is hit enter so we can add it below. And we're going to copy this, highlight it. We're gonna come over to trigger link. Let's find content. We're gonna add content in here. You're gonna get all of this, but we're gonna fix all of this. So we'll come over here and you can hit Control C because we'll copy it. Now you can hit backspace on your mouse. You'll get this access over here where it says links. You open up the links. We're gonna take that URL. We're gonna paste it there. We're gonna take this display and delete it. And we're gonna just put content here. Now it's gonna say content as display. So now when we hit it, it's got the access of content. You can change it to any name you want here. Now it's embedded in there. So now email looks good. Now we'll come over here and let's test it. We'll save it first. Once we save it, I like to save everything. Find my name, content calendar. We click here. Everything's still here. So now let's see where it's. Now let's check it out and see what we got. Now we have our email here. So now we can say our email is here. Everything is structured. We got everything here. Now let's receive our guide. So we'll click the link that was embedded, and bam, there's your guide. So all your guide is all set up here. It's right here in front of you, and they received their email lead magnet that you ever received. You can do this with any kind of gift, anything, PDFs or anything, same setup, and you got your gift here. So hope you found this information valuable that I showed you here. If you have trouble, we go watch it again, learn the steps that I went through, show you the process of how I did this. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like. Give me a comment how you feel. Did this help you? If you're somebody that says, hey, just got go high level and I want to learn how to actually stick a lead magnet that I created inside of my funnel or inside my website or where, this is the tool to show you how to do it, the step-by-step guide to doing it. And that's all I have for you, and I'm out.